Hello friends, today in this video you will learn how to change or how to add thumbnails. As you can see, these are all called the thumbnails. How to change the thumbnails or how to add thumbnails you are going to see in this video. For this we need to go to YouTube first of all, and after going to YouTube we need to select this particular portion. And after selecting that particular portion, you need to go to YouTube Studios. You need to click on YouTube Studios, and after selecting YouTube Studios you will be directed to your studio. And after that you need to click on videos. This highlighted portion, you need to click on these videos. So clicking this video, you need to go to this particular details. You need to click on this details. Clicking the details, you need to scroll down a bit and select, focus on this particular area, and you have to select on these three dots which are shown. After clicking this particular portion, as you can see, this is a thumbnail earlier. Now I want to change this thumbnail to another thumbnail. This is a particular thumbnail of this particular video. Now I want to change this particular thumbnail to another thumbnail. For that, you need to go to this particular area and click on particular three dots. Just clicking on this particular three dots, then you will get two options. If you didn't have any thumbnail, you will get these two options, change or download. You need to click on change. I want to change this thumbnail, and after that I'm going to select the another part, that is the image. I'm selecting this particular image. And open, and we have to save it. Save this point. But before that, this is a particular video. I am changing the thumbnail. Before, the earlier thumbnail was this. Now after saving, you will see different video thumbnail. This is the earlier thumbnail. I'm saving this. You need to go after changing the thumbnail from here into save it. I'm saving it. Now this is the earlier thumbnail of this video. Now I'm refreshing it. Just see, the thumbnail is changed to another part, that is the desired thumbnail is this one. So by this way you can change or add thumbnail. Before I conclude, I request you all to subscribe to my channel. My channel is educational stuff. I request you all to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for joining me. If you have any doubts, please do comment on the video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.